guys, my name is Minghui, but today I'm going to be talking about a topic called classroom. In the book 4,000 English Words and Structures. Let's get started. I bet all of you, from adults to kids like me, have had one goes to a classroom before. Maybe a lot of times before. Yeah, well, today we're going to be seeing some of, I don't know. Yeah, some words about the classroom. But let's get started. First is global Earth. Well, global Earth, or we could call it globe. Globe is a good word now to describe a whole Earth. Globe is specially used for studying one subject. Do you know what's that subject? Think about it later. I would also give you the answers later, but not just right now. Next, we'll have is clock. Clock is a thing that we use to show time zones, so that we can see, this is the times right now. It's gonna be, kind of like starting school really early. Well, yeah, that's it. Next, we'll have is a board. Board usually have two colors as blacks and dark blue. Usually, the teacher's board would be dark blue more than black. We would use a special kind of things called chalks to write on, and we would use a board eraser to erase them. Okay? Next is maps. Maps also shows the whole Earth, like just a copy of the Earth, like the globe. But can you tell me the difference between maps and the global Earth? Let's see. Okay, sorry. Here we go. Here I have is just imagination. This is a map, okay? This is a map. Well, a map is a flat piece of paper that shows the whole Earth flat. But the globe is different. It looks like this. It's different. It's just got like a sphere that shows the real Earth. Maps are for people who don't like to search too much, and globes are usually used for kind of like learning about the countries or part of land. Well, both of them used to learn a subject called geography. Well, do you know what's geography? Geography is the studies of, the Earth. That's correct. You're just smart. Well, the next one we're going to have is calendar. We will actually have a calendar to know what day is it today. I'll show you. Here we have this calendar. This is not a really beautiful one, I bet, but it's real easy to look at. Well, now I'm just gonna use an artist's touch to draw on this map. I'm going to use this blue. Perfect. Well, now let's see. Think about if today is the 14th, the February 14th day. The Valentine's Day. Well, this is today's. I'm on a mark on a star. So, this was today. Here we go. Well, now, I want to ask, or maybe the teachers want to ask, can anybody tell me which day is the 14th of February? Can you know how to answer? Now look at the calendars. Maybe you've learned all this to school, but if you want to review a little bit with me, just look. Here we have our dates. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I bet you all known this, right? Well, now, if I'm looking at 14, it goes straight up. I will need Monday. Well, today's date is gonna be Monday. Really easy. Now, what if I had the teacher's ask? Okay? What is the next Mondays? Well, there are two ways. First, it's counting. We'll count, a week have 7 days, right? We're gonna count sevens to the next week to find Monday because this Monday and this Monday is far from our 7 days. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 21's gonna be next Monday. Okay? Well, what if I ask, what is the next week's Wednesday? Wednesday. Well, first, Wednesday in a week, there are how many parts? How many days? Yes, 7. Well, 7 will have Monday, no, okay, well, Monday's gonna be 1, Thursday gonna be 2, Wednesday's gonna be 3, well, 7 plus 3 all together equals to 10, right? We're going to count 10. 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Well, next week's gonna be 23. But if we have already know the answers, can we just add them together? Yeah, but remember when adding, remember to just put the numbers that you're adding with. Like this real day minus 1. Like if we have 14 plus 10, we won't get 24, but we get 23. Because I wouldn't count it, okay? 21, 24, 2. So I'll just write in 23. 23 plus 10 is gonna be next week's. Well, what if I ask, how many Saturdays are February? You can see this is Saturday part, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days. Well, it's pretty easy, right? Next is hourglass. It's used to, think about the times. Because sometimes when teachers giving you count like minutes, different hourglass will have their own, have like sand inside. And they would have a special place. It's just equals to time. If time was a big time and the ball will be a little bit big, but if the hourglass just take a slow time, it will get a really small amount of space for the last to come down. You know what? Because longer times need to have a longer journeys. Okay? Well, that's it. Next, inside your school bags, you absolutely have things as books, notebooks, ink, calculators. If you're doing higher rate math, you absolutely have a calculator. Remember, in secondary school, you absolutely get one, so just be patient. Well, you can see inside your pencil case are just kind of like a big place where it includes a lot of things, such as scissors is used to cut things, dividers are used to draw circles, rulers are used to measure things, different kind of rulers used to measure different things. You guys, if you now have the book, it will be a lot more easier. But let's just see. First, we'll have a protractor. Next, I have the usual rulers to measure, inches and centimeters. We'll also have is a triangle pad to measure, the right angles to see if it's a correct right angles. We have a lot of kind of rulers. We also have ones to measure, kind of like the circles, the grays. I don't know how to say that. That's just a lot of rulers. Glue are used for sticking things together. Padlets are used for putting colors, white colors on. To draw, corrections pens. Well, if you see you've made a mistake but you can't erase it, you absolutely use a corrections pen. Next is pens. Pens are really usual. Next is pencil sharpener. It's used to sharpen your pencil if your pencils go out of, kind of like the part inside it to write. Yeah, next is highlighter. Highlighter is used to highlight the words that are important. And stapler is going to stick those pieces of papers together without using glues. Well, there's some other words such as, kind of like pencils, erasers, and a lot more. There's a lot kind of like of things that we have in the part. We also have. Wait me a little bit. They also have its tape dispensers to put in the Scotch tape, colors paper, fountain pen, drawing books, mechanical pens, clutters, erasers, school timetable, dictionaries, and lunchbox in some places, pencil case. Yes, that's just some of the words that we haven't listed in this map. But you know what? In our classroom, we have a lot of things. Not just include students and teachers or things. It includes a lot of more. When next time, say bye. See you.